Happy November, fellow Realtors. Jeffrey, Mr. Tech Raskin here. So we have a bunch of great things going on this month. Number one, today, November 4th, Monday, we have a 3-in-1 class. This is actually going to teach you about YouTube. It's going to teach you about ChatGPT and virtual tours. Once again, giving you 80 RECE general elective credits. So go ahead and you can take it today at 1 o'clock via Zoom. Other things going on are you going to go ahead and stay a Realtor member? That's right. You have the choice, as you've always had, to go ahead and either be a Realtor member or a real estate agent and still access Flex MLS through MLS, depending on where you are in the state of Arizona. So I will show you all the things you need to know about this huge change. And depending on that, that's going to decide whether you want to go ahead and take the NAR Code of Ethics class, which we're going to be offering, which you need by the end of the year if you want to stay a Realtor member. We have other things going on. Take a look at our schedule. Take a look at Ignite, which will teach you everything you need to know. Go ahead and take a look at the computers that we have to offer with the holidays coming around. And then last thing is, this month we're going to be giving the E-Pro certification up there at the Flagstaff office. In other words, it's going to be at the Northern Area Association of Realtors in Flagstaff. And if you want to go ahead and do that, it is at a greatly discounted price. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Let me know what you're deciding out there, and have a great day. Techie out.